it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own kombucha. It takes 2 minutes, 2 ingredients, and you don't need a SCOBY for it. So it's really quick, inexpensive, and has around the same benefits. So if you guys want to know how to make it, just keep watching. So all you're gonna need is some flavored seltzer, some apple cider vinegar, and then optional are things like extracts for flavoring. So I made mine grapefruit lavender, which was amazing, and then some probiotics if you wish. The rest is just really self-explanatory. Just put that in a cup and mix it up. And I just want to say this tastes exactly like kombucha. It has that little vinegary taste, which you can control if you don't like that, and it's naturally sweet.